Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back. This is the question yesterday I have asked. Let's try to see the answer for this question. Before that, let's read this one. Which functionality plays a key role to set items to pass to MRP for stock tracking in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? So it is very simple. What is the basic functionality which is helpful to pass the requirements to MRP? Okay. So A is transfer of requirements, B transfer of order, C transfer of volume, transfer of availability, E scrap item volume, and material planning, none of the above. So the answer is A. B, C, D, E, F, G, all are the wrong answers. Transfer of requirements is the one of the functionality. You can able to find that one in schedule and category. Okay. So all are remaining options to get confuse you. Okay. Even D is also not the correct answer. Answer is A. Okay. So if you like my video, you can like this and you can comment. If you want, you can subscribe my YouTube channel to get more inputs. So currently I'm holding 724 videos. With this 725, I'm going to finish. All these are the different courses. Currently I'm holding around 5,500 plus students. So all those are the different courses available at my end in Udemy in dedicated forum. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you're really interested, you can subscribe. Thank you. I wish you all the best. Have a great day.